Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best bicycle saddle bags that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Bicycle Saddle Bags. Cycling is a kind of sport that can make our health healthier. It is a fun sport. Most of the Western people like to use a bicycle as their transportation. Traveling with a bicycle, you may want to bring something along with you. Now you can use bicycle saddlebags to carry or store your food, water or something else during your traveling with a bicycle. Number 5. OPEEK MTX Trunk Bicycle Saddlebag DX. 2 zippered side pockets and rear water bottle holder. Our unique construction process combines molded panels and repellency. Main features: 600 denier polyester. Weight 985 g. Capacity 3 liters. Number 4. Topeak Wedge Pack 2-seat bag with F25 fixer. An updated and improved version of our popular traditional wedge pack. Reflective strip for added safety at night. Includes rain cover. Main features: made using high-quality materials. Full wrap 3M reflective strip. 1 denier nylon. Number 3. Lezyne Caddy Bicycle Saddle Bag. Internal organizational pockets hold a hand pump, multi-tool, and tire repair to the sides, leaving plenty of room for additional gear. 2 external zippered pockets provide quick access. Main features: multiple storage areas. Durable materials. Compact size. Number 2. Green Guru Gear Bike and Bicycle Saddle Seat Bag. The shifter upcycled inner tube saddle bag converts cycling's tube waste into an under-seat bag designed to hold a tube, toolkit, and pump. Secured with a wrap-around strap. Main features: storm-proof rubber exterior. Reflective light loop. Made in USA. Number 1. Rock Bros Bike Saddle Bag Seat Bicycle Accessories. Double-sealed zipper to prevent water in effectively, and make the bag looks more fashionable. Velcro straps simplify mount system. Main features: durable material and solid shape. 1.5 liters large capacity. Lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.